In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to Notion using 3 simple methods. Whether your file is saved on your computer or stored online, you'll be able to view it directly inside your Notion page by the end of this tutorial. Let's start with the most common method, uploading the PDF directly from your computer. First, open the Notion page where you want the PDF to appear. This can be any page, like a project dashboard, a notes page, or a dedicated resources page. Once you're on that page, click into an empty space and type /PDF. Notion will show you an option labeled PDF. Select that option. A small menu will appear with a button that says Upload a file. Click that button and a file browser window from your computer will open. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored, click on the PDF you want to add, and then confirm to upload it. After a moment, the PDF will appear embedded right in your Notion page. You'll see a built-in PDF viewer that lets you scroll through the document, zoom in and out, and read it without downloading anything. The second method is even faster if you already have the file handy on your desktop or in a folder. Open the same Notion page where you want the PDF. Now, on your computer, locate the PDF file. Click and hold the file, then drag it over to your Notion window. When you see the page highlight or show a drop area, release the mouse to drop the file directly into the page. Notion will automatically upload the file and create an embedded PDF viewer for you, similar to the first method. This drag and drop approach is perfect when you're organizing multiple documents at once because you can quickly drop them into place without using the upload menu. The third method is ideal if your PDF is stored online, such as on Google Drive or a website. First, go to the location where your PDF is hosted and copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Then return to your Notion page. Click into an empty area and type /embed. Select the embed option that appears. A field will show up asking for a link. Paste the PDF URL into this field, then click Embed Link. If the PDF is accessible from the web, Notion will generate an embedded viewer right inside your page. This is especially useful when you want to keep large files in cloud storage but still view them seamlessly in Notion.